Hey guys, welcome back to Lucy's Las Vegas. Thanks for subscribing and please like and share this video. Tonight we're here at the Tropicana. We are going to see the legendary impressionist Rich Little at the Laugh Factory. The Laugh Factory is a one-stop shop for live stand-up comedy at Tropicana on the Strip. The Intimate Club offers a retro vibe perfect for a night of laughter. They offer 2 shows a night at 8:30 and 10:30. Rich Little performs Thursday to Sunday at 6:30. The Laugh Factory has been recognized as the #1 comedy club in the country. Rich Little was born in Canada and is 83 years young. He started his career at age 11 but perfected his voices while he was at the back of the theater in the Ottawa Little Theater. He broke into the U.S. performing on the Judy Garland Show in 1964. His impressions of Richard Nixon put him on the map. He's done 32 appearances on The Tonight Show and has hosted several times. And he has been performing in Vegas since the mid-60s. He is finally back at the Laugh Factory at the Tropicana, which he has called home since 2015. We are about to go find our seats. And another fun fact, Rich Little's birthday was recently on November 26th. So I just wanted to wish him a happy birthday. I can't take any video during the show, but I'll see you after. What a fun night. Be sure to come on down to the Laugh Factory at the Tropicana and see Rich Little for yourself. Hear his famous 20 impressions in 15 minutes, hear some fun stories, learn a little bit more about Rich, and be ready to laugh your ass off. Thanks for subscribing, please like and share this video, and I'll see you next time.